2021. How you doing, guys? This is a GMC Sierra pickup truck. Hope everything is good with everybody. Anyway, what we did, we added the shock sensor add-on kit to the factory alarm system. That way, if because right now from factory, of course, somebody opens the door, the alarm will trip and will go off. Everybody knows that. So whoever tries to break into this vehicle is not going to open the door. They're going to bust the window and jump in, or go underneath your car and cut your catalytic or converters, or take your rims and tires. So what you got to do, you got to buy some nut locks, put 2 or 3 per tire, plus get the shock sensor kit add-on. So if they try to bust out the locks by sticking a socket and hammering it in by pressure, you'll see it at the bottom of the video. Then the shock sensor will pick up that impact and fire off the alarm system. Or if they bust out the keyhole, the shock sensor will pick up the impact before the door is open, or break a window. So I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the vehicle. Go ahead and rearm it. So yeah, that takes care of the whole car from bumper to bumper. So if anybody tries to do the same thing on the other side, it's gonna fire off. So yeah, this is a must update. So whoever has these type of, anybody who has a vehicle with a factory alarm system, just keep in mind that they don't come with impact sensors. They only work with somebody opens the hood, the trunk, or the doors. That's the only way it's gonna set off. And I'm talking about from a Corvette to a Lexus to a Honda to this to anything that has a factory alarm system. So because your salesman at the dealer told you that you're well protected with the factory alarm, that's not true. They don't bring any type of impact sensors because manufacturers don't want to be responsible for false triggers, like if a lightning or somebody with a loud exhaust down the neighborhood, or a cat jumps in the hood, or a night, that sort of thing. And you start complaining to the service writer at the dealer that your alarm's going off, they don't want to hear it. So that's why the manufacturers don't put any type of sensors for that particular reason. They want a sure thing that the alarm will never go off unless the door is open. This shock sensor, it is fully adjustable, so we always show the customer where we mount them. That way they can adjust it and drop it down a hair if they need to, if it's going off too much. If you live by the airport and you got jet fighters or planes going by, that sort of thing. And I don't even think that any more than that, unless you live like next to the Air Force base or something like that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this side. Rearm it. So yeah, this is a must update. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, you feel free to give us a call. We can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible wherever you are. That's 305-298-4814. This is the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, let's test out the remote start. Sometimes people say, because if I do this add-on, will my remote start still work? It should. There's no reason why. Not that it should. It will. I mean, sometimes we get, I don't know, whoever started some rumors on the internet that when you do a shock sensor, the remote start doesn't work. I don't know what happened there, or somebody wrote that just to write it or whatever. But no, the shock sensor add-on kit has nothing to do with a remote start system from factory in the vehicle. This add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.